Hi, how you doing? My name is Matt Doherty. I'm the VP of Engineering here at Oxygenate, and I just want to give you a quick overview of some of our commercial product line. The last unit we wanted to talk about was designed for a lower cost installation. We're still using the same high-performing EC fans that we do on everything else here. We are still using high-performing enthalpy and sensible only cross-counterflow cores, but it's designed to be less bells and whistles. So we're utilizing a single casing design with a EPDM foam insulation. It doesn't have the same controller. We still use a time clock with a schedule. It just doesn't have all of the options that some of our other product has. It's also designed for ceiling mount in a tight location, and it's available in 3 sizes. Our HO4 is 450 CFM, which is a perfect size for a school classroom. And then we have what's called the HO8, which is 800 CFM, and the H12, which is 1200 CFM. Again, MERV 13 filters on your outdoor air, MERV 8 filters on your return air. If you have any questions, comments, please reach out to our application engineering team or even visit our website for further information.